Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve Hindustan Times newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 28, 2023. 5-star Sudoku. 9th grade. Column C and column E, 8th grade. We have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will be another 2 cells. 8th grade, we are give 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E and 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 9th row, 8th row, we have 9. Column I also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 7. Column C and 7th grade, we have 1, 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will give me another these cells. Column E, I have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will give me any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Second row and 4th row, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I and second row, we have 2, 5, 7. Then 3 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then second row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 9, 4. Column G, we get 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, you have to give 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 8, 4. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Third row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of 2 cells. Column G, already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 8, 5. Column E, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already give 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then second grade, only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. Fifth grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 6. 6th row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then in column F, only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then the 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 5th row, we have 3. so 3 can't come these cells. Column H also be 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 3. Fifth row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5, it will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Fourth also 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5, it will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 7th grade. And 7th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 9th grade, we will have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. The 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 3rd grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 7th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then in column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.